Marcus, I got no panties.
Damn it.
Keep talking.
Marcus,
Come on.
wait, what is wings?
I gotta. If I had a fucking beverage drink, I'd drink it upside down. Be great.
That baby.
Oh, the hiccups just disappeared.
He's on the ball.
No, you probably give me one more.
Serena, can you drive?
I'm gonna. I don't know. Wait.
I will.
See the hiccups? Wait, why are you hiccuping like that?
Easy.
I swallowed a lot of air. That's what the hiccups are.
From what? That beer pong match, huh? Yeah. That was a yeah.
Do your little rant. You're doing some arm movements and shit.
I'm trying to get the fucking air out of my body. I'm not like, oh, you can't
This
fucking
nigga
drive,
knows
man.
American Sign Language.
He's got the fucking hiccups, man. He can't drive, man. I'm gonna swallow air.
You see?
Compensate.
Universal sign for
Hold your
I'm
breath.
drunk, sign language.
Hold it. Quit.
Ew.
He's like a baby bird. He's waiting for the drop off.
And I'm great.
Wait,
Enjoy. It won't let to me.
nigga, you're not done hiccuping.
I'm swallow air right out.
You got
I
this.
never knew that was a real remedy. You swallow air.
He's got it. He knows all little tricks.
He's just a vomit.
I'm gonna throw up.
Not on the
If
kids.
you keep doing that, you will.
No, you won't.
Marcus, you made me drink so
Trust me,
much,
man.
you bastard.
You fucking did. Yeah. Oh, look who's at his now.
I don't have hiccups. I'm perfect.
Wait.
Don't
Nigga.
get it twisted.
Yeah, I throw that shit in at the end.
God damn it. I'm perfect. I'm perfectly fucking fine.
Marcus.
Alright, we're about to spit a
It's a
cipher.
double. It's a double.
Be drunk.
It's
ready?
a double fucking hiccup.
Alright, let's go.
No,
that can be the hook. Alright.
I can do it on call.
I said the hook, not the puke.
On call. This is.
Alright,
I'm swallowing it.
every time the beat drops,
He is not focused
we gotta go.
enough.
I'm not gonna.
right here, they just flash the lights.
That's not a term for leave me.
They should just easily step
No, they're just
inside.
fucking drunk.
Keep in
and
mind I
they're
parked right over the. Right over there.
Marcus.
Marcus, are you sure?
God.
Because I can always drive until we get to my house.
Alright, the
Leave my
Manzana
location.
TV.
It's not. It's
Alright, Manzana TV.
This thing is.
I gotta go charge this bitch for tomorrow.
See you guys later.
Bye.
You smash up.
Really late tomorrow.
Where the fuck's Marissa at, yo?
It's been like 10 hours later.
In fucking years, yeah.
Yesterday.
No, I did not. Fuck you, Jeff.
You did see her when
I
you went
did
to the
not see
movies.
Marissa.
At the movies? When you
No.
let them in?
Oh no, that was alright. That was the only time I seen her.
Yeah, that was like 2 days ago. That was yesterday.
Great hiccups. Yeah, sure.
Hey, little guy, you okay over there?
It's it's air in my body.
Where is Jeffrey going?
Jeffrey's going home.
You,
Right
looks
there.
like he just walked out of someone's place.